Welcome to our channel. Sling TV Error 8-12 is an authentication error that prevents you from accessing content. Follow these steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Close the Sling TV app completely and force quit it if you're using a mobile device or streaming box. Step 2. Sign out of your Sling TV account completely. Look for the sign out option in your account settings. Step 3. Clear the app cache and data on your device. Go to Device Settings, find Sling TV, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 4. Restart your device completely by powering it off, waiting 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Step 5. Ensure your internet connection is stable by testing it with a speed test. Sling TV requires a minimum connection speed for proper authentication. Step 6. Update the Sling TV app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store and checking for updates. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Sling TV app if the error persists. This ensures you have a fresh installation. Step 8. Sign back in to your Sling TV account using your correct email address and password. Double check for typos. Step 9. If you're still seeing error 8-12, reset your Sling TV password through the website to ensure your credentials are current. Step 10. Contact Sling TV customer support if the problem continues, as there may be an issue with your account requiring their assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.